first the violet shines so bright, quiet glow, gentle light. Then cheeky yellow jumps right in, a bold contrast, let the fun begin. Suddenly it's louder, the canvas comes alive, colors start to dance, their magic will arrive. Splashes dancing wild and free, untamed, playful, full of glee, bold and daring, full of might, pure, colorful delight. Feel the rhythm of the hues, let them pull you in, no rules. Everything alive in this design, loud, crazy, untamed and fine. A cheeky pink shouts hello, I'm here, leaping into the colors, he's so vivid, so clear. Bright green lines are swirling, dancing all around. Dance with me, they whisper soft, let joy abound. There's no stopping now, no top, no ground, only movement, only feeling, where colors abound. Splashes dancing wild and free, untamed, playful, full of glee, bold and daring, full of might, pure, colorful delight. Feel the rhythm of the hues, let them pull you in, no rules. Everything alive in this design, loud, crazy, untamed and fine. A touch of orange scribbled here and there, as if it happened floating in the air. Delicate lines whisper softly through, decorating the silence with a sparkling hue. Dots keep dancing without an end, pink in 1,000 variations blend. Every mark a little wonder, beyond convention, pulling you under. Splashes dancing, come along, every moment sings its song. Free of rules, free of aim, only the heart ignites this game. Colors calling wild and free, stay with us inside this sea. Untamed, strong and flying high, art comes alive in this joyful cry. At first the violet shines so bright, quiet glow, gentle light. Then cheeky yellow jumps right in, a bold contrast, let the fun begin. Suddenly it's louder, the canvas comes alive, colors start to dance, their magic will arrive.